Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're going to read a nonfiction story, and then we're going to do a little project related to this. And I also have some bonus pictures to share with you because we hatched butterflies during this time at my grandchildren's house. So I'm going to open up the book, and in a nonfiction book, I just want to show you, we still have a title page, we have a cover from caterpillar to butterfly, and then we have a table of contents. So we have all the things we want to know about butterflies, and we could pick from any of these and just read about one section, but today we're going to read from the beginning to the end. So, a butterfly starts life as an egg. A caterpillar hatches from the egg. The caterpillar grows and changes into a pupa. A beautiful butterfly hatches from the pupa. In this book, you can see the amazing life cycle unfold. The butterfly is an insect. This means its body is in three parts. The head is at the front, the thorax is in the middle, and the abdomen is at the back. Female butterflies lay their eggs on leaves. The eggs stick to the leaves so the eggs will not fall off. The baby insect grows inside the sticky egg. When it hatches, it becomes a caterpillar. The caterpillar needs food in order to grow. It folds up a leaf and sticks it together with its silk. The caterpillar hides inside and eats the leaf. As the caterpillar grows, it sheds its skin. This is called molting. The caterpillar grows a new skin under its old skin, and then the old skin splits and the caterpillar crawls out of it. Many animals like to eat caterpillars. Caterpillars make a juicy treat for spiders, wasps, and birds. This caterpillar is protecting itself by hiding in a leaf. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it gets ready to turn into a butterfly. It hangs down a silk thread from a leaf stem. Then it sheds its skin, and for the last time, to form a pupa. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Sometimes we call this a chrysalis or a cocoon. After about 3 weeks, the pupa splits open, the butterfly crawls out, its new wings are damp and wrinkled. The butterfly climbs up the plant and shakes out its wings to dry them, and then it flies away. Male and female butterflies feed on the same flowers. Sometimes they rest on a leaf to mate. The female butterfly then flies away to lay her eggs, and the life cycle starts all over again. Some butterflies fly thousands of miles across countries and oceans to lay their eggs or to find the right food. This is called migration. In winter, butterflies look for a warm, dry place to sleep. This is called hibernation. So there's a whole bunch of butterfly facts in this book, which I'm going to stop here because we're going to next make our own butterfly life cycle. And like I showed you before, I showed you this book, The Monarch Butterfly by Gail Gibbons. And this book also, you could look this up online and probably get a version read to you by another teacher. It shows the butterfly life cycle as well. Okay, friends, I'm going to show you my finished version of the life cycle of a butterfly. The first square will be an egg. So you'll make a leaf and you'll write the word egg. On the leaf, you can put a little piece of rice or a little popcorn kernel seed, something from your kitchen that will resemble the size of the egg. It's pretty small, so a little grain of rice will match that up. The second part of the life cycle from the egg becomes the caterpillar. And caterpillars are usually kind of fuzzy, so I used a piece of cotton. And then what do caterpillars eat? They eat the leaves. So I have some little holes in my leaf, and you can write the word caterpillar. We can break it down. Caterpillar. I bet you can find words within words on that word. Then the third step to the life cycle of a butterfly is the chrysalis. And you might just cut out a piece of paper and color it kind of brown, or it was called in our book the pupa. It was also called in the hungry caterpillar, it's called a cocoon. So it's got several names. And then the last bit of this life cycle, it becomes a butterfly. So you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to fold it into fourths, and you're going to write the word egg. You're going to write the word caterpillar. You're going to write the word chrysalis, and you're going to write the word butterfly. Now I have some parts here that I cut out to make a leaf. So some green paper, or you could color it. So I would glue stick that on to make my leaf, and then I'm going to put a couple grains of rice to make the eggs. Then on my next page, I'm going to put a leaf because the caterpillar likes to eat leaves, and I'm going to take some holes, some bites out of that. You could draw your caterpillar. You can make it gorgeous and black like in the story. With colors. The monarch butterfly caterpillars are different colored. Mine that I showed you on my sample was a piece of cotton, so that made it feel fuzzy. And then the cocoon, or the chrysalis, I have a brown piece of paper in which I could cut out the shape, an oval shape of a cocoon to make the chrysalis. And then lastly, you can draw or you can cut out your own butterfly to put on the butterfly side and decorate it. And remember that butterflies are symmetrical in shape, that if it's perfectly in half, a shape is symmetrical, and then you can paint or use oil pastels or chalk pastels at home one side of your butterfly, and then it will imprint and make the other side exactly the same, and we call that symmetrical. And then you will have your own life cycle of a butterfly.